Alright, this is fourplex. In the darkness in this mug. Alright. Turn around, see if I can see myself. Damn, that motherfucker's bright. What this is these are gas lines, CSST. That's corrugated stainless steel tubing. I'm gonna show you what these are. Comes here, all the way down 10 units. That's for test. Each one should be sitting at, you can't even see it. Each one should be sitting at 5 pounds. And they all are 5. Another one, 5. It's a little over. That's good. 5, 5, 5. And it better be 5. Yep, 5. This bad boy goes for inspection tomorrow. And this is a crawl space. This is a big crawler.